Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can embed Canva design or templates to the website. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So I'm going to show you two way. Okay, so you can use a two way that to embed your website from Canva, or your design from Canva to Google site. Okay, so first open your Canva design or create the new design. Okay, so I just open any design from here. Okay, so we have this presentation, so I want to embed it or want to view on Google site. So just open your design, okay, like this. Here go to the share option and go to the see all, and here you need to click that embed option. Okay, and okay, just click embed, and here we have two options. It is HTML embed code and smart embed link. So you can use any of these both, any from this both. Okay, so I just use this HTML embed code. I just copy, come to your Google site, open your Google site here. So I have opened one sample site here. Now go to the insert option, go to the embed, and here we need to insert the code. If you are copy this link, then you need to copy link here, paste link here. Okay, but we copy embed code, so we need to select embed code. Now paste here and click next. Now this is our embed code, just insert it. Now we have this embed design on Canva, okay, on Google site. So here you can option, you can edit this. Okay, if you want to change embed code, you can change from here, and from here you can simply delete that embed design from Canva. Okay, so here we have option to layout. Okay, block. Okay, you can add any block from here and choose that embed design and select and hold and just drag on it. Okay, so there is a, I think, okay, we can't move this embed design to the block, so there is some restrictions. Okay, you can see, so you need to keep this embed design at individual block or sections. Okay, like this. You need to minimize or maximize size from corner dot. Okay, just select dot and minimize or maximize size. You can move this anywhere. Don't resize from here, it will be crop your design. You need to resize from this dot only. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.